Welcome to the sewing section. I'm joining all the 9 pieces together. So this is the first one, and this is the one that is going to stay at the middle, the way I arranged it for you the other time. So this is going to be at the middle, while this is going to be at the side. So I'll join it together now. So this is where the straight aspect of it ends, so it will make the slant. So I'm done with this, the side and the center. So I'm going to join the third one, which is going to be the side. You can see, so you can see it. This is the one with hip also. The one I joined at the middle here doesn't have hip, so I will still join it. As I'm through with this first 3, I'm doing this same process to the other 6 pieces. So I'm going to join it like this. So let me keep this aside and join the remaining 6 pieces into 2. So now this is the first one, this is the second one, and this is the third. This is the third one. The next thing to do now, after joining the 9 pieces into 3 places together like this, is to take the measurement, the body measurement here. Like I said earlier, I said the waist is 32 inches and the hip is 40 inches. So the next thing I'm going to do is to take this and take the measurement like this. You can see the first one, and this is the second one. This is the area you're going to take the measurement. So the waist is 32 inches, so this is 32 inches, 16. So the hip here is 40 inches. Hip 40, you can see it. This is hip 40. That is my 40 inches. As I'm through with this, so this is now 6 pieces. So the next thing I'm going to do now is to join the third 3 pieces with it, with the same measurement I took the other time. So I'm going to take the same measurement now, 32 inches, 32 inches. the hip measurement, which is 40. The hip measurement, which is 40. You can see it. So I can now open it. So the band area, you're going to tape it with a bias or fold it this way and tape it. Same thing you did for this particular area, you're going to do it for this side as well. You tape it this way, tape it, and the other side. But assume you're using an Ankara or this particular lace fabric, if you like, can make use of a lining, so you can make a facing with it, which is inside the lining. So if you like, so if you're making use of a lining, just turn it. No need of taping it anyway, just turn it to the line, and that's all. The next thing I'm going to put now is to put a rope we're going to use to tie it around the body so it will be firm. So now I'm attaching this rope. If you want to do it normally, you have to fold this into two. You have to cut it up to like 4 inches, then you fold it into two, you stitch it, then you turn it. You turn it to the right side, then you attach it here at the front here. You attach it. But since I'm just going to show you how to do it, so that's why I'm only using this one right now. So attach it this way. Now the next thing now is to wrap it for you to see. Welcome back. Here is the finished work so far. This is the 9 pieces that will turn to 6 pieces wrap skirt. You can see it. This is the first one. I'm wrapping the second one now. So watch out for the princess boxer coat. It's going to be a top on this. So thank you for watching. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel, like and share. Bye.